My name's Tom Langenhop, and I'm a member of the Elkhart County Flight Masters Radio Controlled Club in Elkhart, Indiana. The club commissioned me to build a solar generating system that would provide 12-volt power for charging batteries and a 120-volt inverter. We were able to install the system a few weeks ago, and this video is an instructional video in what its capabilities are and how to use it properly. It has a 12-volt lithium 100 amp hour battery that powers the entire system. That's within the box. It has a 370 watt solar panel to charge the battery. It has two 12-volt powered studs for chargers that use alligator clips. It has two 12-volt banana plug outlets. It has two cigarette lighter outlets for 12-volt charging. It has two 5-volt USB charging ports. It has two 110-volt outlets for chargers that need 110 volts or for other 110-volt applications. The system must be turned on in the proper sequence. Turn on the charging system first, which is switch A. The red lights will come on. Turn the solar system on, switch B, second. To turn the inverter on, there is a small push button switch on the right-hand side of the box. Press the button and the inverter will power up. It will light up and show the power level of the main battery. Only turn the inverter on if needed. It has a power draw when idle, and we don't want to discharge the battery if not necessary. To power off the system, turn the inverter off first. If it's active, the inverter light will go off. That's the little switch on the side. Turn the solar panel off first, which is switch B. Turn this charging system off second, switch A, and the lights will go out. It has an auto timer. The power station has a 6-hour timer. It takes 6 hours to fully charge the batteries if they're low, and the system is designed with electronic timers to power the solar panel off first and then the main system second. It is not mandatory to turn the inverter off first, but it's good practice to make sure everything's powered down. There are some alarms that are within the system. There are two fail-safe systems built into the components. If the voltage in the battery gets to a critical low level, the inverter will sound a high-pitched alarm. If you hear the alarm, you should discontinue use, turn the inverter off, let the solar panel charge the battery. Additionally, the charge controller will not allow the system to draw power from the battery if the battery gets critically low. The temperature. The charge controller has a maximum operating temperature of 116 degrees Fahrenheit. It will shut down if it gets over 116 degrees. I have a thermal unit installed that will trigger a cooling fan if the interior of the station gets above 98 degrees. So that's it. It's pretty much an on-off system. If we follow the procedure, I do not see any reason why we'll have any trouble except for a possible component failure. So enjoy the system. If you have any questions, I'm always available for comment.